Hi, shalom. My name is Anat, and here's Liron and her dog Matka. She likes my house, so she's a little bit wild now. And why I'm here? I'm here because I got a big package from Texas, from Gina and Clay. And why I got this package? Well, this is a really nice story. And there's an American woman named Amy, and she's getting packages from all over the world. And she's tasting the snacks and the sweets she's getting. And she had an episode about Israel, and below the video Gina wrote a comment that she would love to taste from the Bamba. Bamba is an Israeli snack, the best-selling snack in Israel, and I sent her Bamba and other things, and just yesterday she made a video about it. She's filming videos with her son Clay, and I saw the video and I was so excited because I used to eat all those snacks from Israel all the time from my childhood, and suddenly to see somebody else that never tasted this before eating this, and it was really nice. And I'm really excited because today on the internet age, everybody is communicating by the internet. And before, people used to send postcards and letters by mail, and today everything is virtual. And here I am getting a box, a three-dimensional box from a lady that I don't know, and this is really exciting. So you want to taste all the snacks? Okay. Where is Matka? Matka! Boy. Okay. So I'm just telling you that Liron is not tasting from the... Oh, here is Matka! Woo!
Hello, Matka,
Liron is not going to taste from the chocolate, so I'm going to eat everything alone because she has migraines when she's tasting chocolate. But she is going to eat from the salty things. I didn't know what to choose. This looks the most interesting thing because this is a spicy chocolate. This is with Tabasco. Did you ever heard about chocolate with Tabasco?
I heard about it.
Yes? I never.
I didn't taste it.
And we do have this Tabasco in Israel, this logo. Everybody, I think, all over the world have it. It's this small bottle of Tabasco, but I never tasted a Tabasco chocolate. But I think if I will taste it now, so it will be hard for me to taste the other snacks. So I leave it to the end. And I think
to Matka.
we will bring it to Matka, and she's going to run all over the neighborhood. Oh, it will be funny. Matka, you want spicy chocolate? Woo! Okay, so I think this is will be my favorite. I don't know, I have a feeling. Before this, I want to tell you that me and Gina are writing to each other for 3 weeks already. So she got to know about me a little bit, and I got to know about her family and her life in Lindale, Texas. And she sent me postcards from Texas. One postcard is with cows, big cows. She said this is a Spanish kind of cows, and they are the Texas icon. We know it in Israel. The Texas have this icon. And for me, when I heard about Texas, the things that were in my mind is this cowboy hat and rodeo and also gambling and death penalty. This is what I heard about Texas, and suddenly I'm getting to know Matka. I'm getting to know people, I mean Gina, and it's just nice to meet somebody from a place that you've never been to. Even though I've been to the States twice, I've never been to Texas. It's really nice to know somebody from a place that you just have, you just think what you think that you never even know. Oh, my English is bad now. Oy, oy, oy. No, but I wanted to say that sometimes you have thoughts about a place and you have to be there in order to know the place. And what I knew, and it's really true, that Texas really, really big place with fields and flowers, and they have a lot of space. And Gina sent me a postcard that says, this is what the area I live in looks like. Lots of open fields with flowers. It's much different than the beautiful city where you live. You have lots of people around you. We have lots of flowers and cows around us. I hope you enjoy the snacks that Clay and I picked out for you. We have enjoyed it very much. Gina. Thank you, Gina. This is really nice. And she also sent me a beautiful letter, and it says, "Hi Anat, we hope you enjoyed the snacks we picked out for you. We have enjoyed very much getting to know you and about your city. We look forward to many more opportunities to learn more from you. Love, Gina and Clay." This is really nice. So, we'll start to taste. What do you want to taste first? Matka wants to taste, that's for sure.
She wants it
She's
all.
jumping, you can't see her, but she's jumping. She wants everything. So you have Cheetos.
Okay.
We have Cheetos in Israel. I told Gina. I even brought you to see the Israeli kind of Cheetos. I bought it especially for you to see. This is a Cheetos. It's a peanut butter flavor. You can see this tiger on the bicycle. And we also have, and I admit I couldn't control myself and I finished it. So I have only the package.
היית ממלאה וסוגרת.
מה?
ממלאה במים וסוגרת.
Yes, she said I could have put water inside it. You would think that I didn't eat everything. But you see, you don't know me, but I love to eat. So I just couldn't control myself. But this is a ketchup flavor. And you can see this tiger playing basketball. No, football. Yes. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. So let's try from the Cheetos. I didn't eat Cheetos for a long time.
Cheetos is the same one. הכל שחור?
Let's try from this Cheetos. Wow. Wow. See the color.
Wait.
Huh? We don't have it in Israel, I think.
Hot.
Oh, this is hot.
Don't give Matka.
No, I'm not going to give her. Wow, you want to taste hot? Oh, I love this color. Look at this color. Wow.
Nice. It's not that hot.
Mm. This is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
When you're tasting it more, it's... Matka, it's not for you. Ah, it's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it says cheese flavor snacks. And Gina also put notes in each and every snack. This is nice. She said, these are Clay's favorites. So Clay, I'm eating your favorite snack. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wow, now it's starting to be a little bit hot. I wanted to prepare water here, but I forgot. Okay. Now, I let Gina taste from the kefli, onion flavor. And I didn't know that in America, maybe we copied this even. I'm not sure. It's
the
called
same.
Funyuns. Fun, it's kef. It's like kefli. It's fun. and she just yesterday tested the Israeli kefli. And this is Funyuns. It's supposed
Made
to
in.
be made in US. Everything is from the United
Okay.
States. This is a really, this is a famous snack in the US. And she said, everybody loves this. Yeah, let's try it. Mmm. It looks softer than the kefli. נכון? נראה רך? נכון, טעים? מתקה? רוצה? Jump, I want to see you. Oh, she's so cute. It's really nice to see her jumping. You want?
כן, מתקה.
No, it's much more. It's much more softer than the Israeli kefli, and I think it's more spicy a little bit. נכון? קצת? It's kind of the same.
אוורירי יותר.
It's more with air inside.
לא, טעימות מספיק.
Teti? I love it. And I want to taste from this. This was the first sweet that I wanted to taste. Matka. It says, this is also a very old candy here in the States. Very good. Oh, it looks very good. It's called Gugu. Gugu? Gugu Cluster. The original. I love this package. It's nice. Ooh. Oh, there's peanuts in this. נכון? We have something similar in Israel, נכון? יש לנו משהו דומה כזה בשוק שקונים. עם בוטנים, כזה שוקולד עם הרבה בוטנים. This is so nice. You're not going to taste chocolate, so I can take a bite?
Yes.
טעים. וואו. There's peanut in there, and this is inside. It reminds me a little bit of what we have inside the egozi. Gina tasted the egozi yesterday, and I don't know how to say it. What is it?
חלב...
No.
אה,
וואו.
ריבת חלב.
ריבת חלב? Oh. I don't know how to say in English, ריבת חלב. Oh my god. This is good. It's so soft. It says made with real milk chocolate. Okay. I love it. מה עכשיו? האוריוז. לא, זה. I told Gina that we have Oreos in Israel. I don't think we're selling them in singles. כיחידים, נכון?
Yes, we are.
Yes? Okay, because I brought you a box from a friend of mine. She has children, so she's buying this. And it looks like this in Israel. But I didn't see Oreos as a single because I'm not buying it enough. But Liron saying that they have. Okay. מתקה? אוי, לא נתתי למתקה מקודם. מה זה?
שוקולד לא נורא, זה לא לתת לשוקולד.
לא?
אסור על כלבים מתוק. זה תביא לי בת. זה לא שוקולד.
Okay, Oreo, it's a cookie, it's not like a chocolate, so Liron can taste it.
זה חלב, זה לא שוקולד.
טעים?
תמיד טעים.
We all always like Oreos. מתקה, Liron told me not to give you...
לא, העוגיה כן, שוקולד לא.
Okay, only for the cookie?
הנה,
ביי. I want to see you.
קוקי, קייקי קוקי.
Cookie. מתקה גם. נו. וופ. אוי, מתקה. קחי.
עשינו לך בלגן.
לא נורא. אוקיי. I told Gina
סניקרס?
we have sneakers in Israel, but not this flavor. This is a new
No.
flavor. I just checked this on Google and I saw that they're bringing this to Israel, but I didn't see it yet. So she's saying Snickers is the best-selling candy bar here. This is a brand new version that just came out.
Yes. Cool.
You want to taste from this?
אני זוכרת, שני סניקר זה לא שוקולד.
יש בזה שוקולד.
רק מסביב אבל.
כן.
מבפנים, אם את
קחי
חותכת.
ותנסי לחתוך. It's two pieces. This is nice. It's not one
כן,
big
בסדר.
one. וואו.
וואי, איזה מגניב, נראה טעים.
וואו, זה טעים.
חמל גולמים.
אוהבת?
איזה מגניב?
She said this is cool.
שכחת שזה אנגלית.
She's forgetting we're filming this for the US. Speak English, Liron. This is good. I think, Gina, that you said that Clay wanted to send this to us. Oh, Matka. Matka, you want? A little bit. Okay.
לא עם שוקולד, אבל.
No? Matka, you're a problematic person. Dog. Wow. 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 Gina. Thank you very much for this. Wow. This is good. One more. No. This is interesting. This is a garden veggie straws. It's like chips, but this is from vegetables. Yes, it's from vegetables. And this is a healthy kind of snack. And this is 30% less fat. These are my favorite chips like this, because it's not a real chips. Let's taste.
תודה לך, האמת.
Oh, look
זה
at this.
מגניב?
Yes. Look at this colors. Oh. Wow. There's few colors here. Ega matka. It's yellow, orange, and green. It's got a very light taste. It's good.
בעיקר אחרי סניקרס.
Yes. It's balanced the sneaker taste. See? It's really
כאילו דובונים.
delicate. Right. We have a snack in Israel called dubonim. Dubonim, it's little bears. And it's similar to this, to dubonim. Gina, maybe I'll send you dubonim that you can taste it and see. But dubonim, it's a little bit with more salt. It's a bit more salty.
A bit.
This is nice. I love it when it's so delicate taste. It's not too spicy. It's really good. Nice. What else? This is familiar to me. It's Whoppers. מכירה את זה? I heard about this. Maybe when I was in the States. It's really familiar to me. It looks a little bit like Click. I sent Gina 3 types of clicks, but not clicks that looks like it. So Gina will more kinds of clicks. Maybe next time I'll send it to you, but not in this package. It's like the package that I gave you yesterday, and I really want to taste it. It says these are an old favorite candy. They are similar to Maltesers from UK. Maltesers, you know them?
No.
You've been to England? Yes? And you didn't taste? Wow! They big! See this? See? They are big.
תראי מה יש בפנים.
כמו עוגי.
לא שוקולד.
Wow. I love it.
זה לא בשביל.
Nata. Yum.
לא, לא.
No, but I'm not going to give you.
עכשיו תביאי לה מה החם זה, מה הירקות.
No, no. I'm not going to be so bad. She wants to eat.
נחמד, אין לנו כזה.
Wow, I love it. We don't have something like this in Israel. The thing inside, it's like a cookie. Look at it. Wow. זה טוב. You heard the noise that it's making when you're taking a bite? Oh,
It's a good one.
yeah. I can't stop eating this. It's like the original melted milk balls, naturally and artificially flavored. Wow. I don't know what to say. What's inside? מה זה?
אולי כתוב
It's like a cookie inside, but it's melting in your mouth. It's really good. I love it.
קורן.
Corn tiras. Wow,
קורן and milk.
this is good. And sugar babies. Every kid in America loved this
Only sugar.
when I was a kid, but they are not as popular now with kids. מה זה? מעניין. נגזור את זה.
נראה עדינות.
כן, כן, כן. תראי. It's like a chocolate, but this is a really light color.
מה אתה?
It's a really light color.
סוכריות עוד אחת או משהו. כמה?
סוכריות?
טופי ריבת חלב כזה.
It's like a toffee. Delicious candy coated with caramels.
קרמל.
Caramel.
מה אתה?
You didn't know the word. Wow, it's sticking to my teeth. But it's good. The taste is good, but it's sticking to my teeth. This is nice. I can't put a deck down. Maybe I should stop the film and go and clean my teeth. But it stays good. Not like this one though. This is my favorite till now, נכון? טעים? טוב. It should be interesting. This is not a chocolate, you can eat it. This is a pie, an apple pie, I think. Nothing is as American as apple pie. This is not a great version, but it was the easiest to mail. Okay, so you have lots of kind of apple pie in the States, and you sending me this one, and I'm really curious to taste from this. This is quite heavy. Feel this. It's heavy. Yeah. Oh, Matka is really curious. Ah, wow, 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 it's breaking. רגע. Wow. It's like a cake. תראי. Wow. Look at this.
זה ממש פאי.
כן, זה פאי כזה. I can feel cinnamon. נכון? Cinnamon. You can feel cinnamon inside. Wow, this is good and soft. וזה רך. טעים. Oh, I like it. This is good with the coffee in the morning.
It is good.
Wow. This is really good. Should I take my Matka to give her? Matka, jump. Jump! Woo! יופי! Matka? Matka loves it very much. Oh, you see? It's so good.
It is good. It's the best, I think.
Everyone like is the best. Wow. I really like it also.
Bye,
The,
Matka. Bye.
the cookie, the cake is very soft, and inside it's even softer. And you can feel the apple, and I feel cinnamon, and I really love cinnamon. I love it. This is really good. Wow. Thank you, Gina. Wow.
Bye,
Want
Matka.
more? I'm going to be so fat. I'm going to a diet workshop. And I'm going to take to my diet, to my instructor, and I will tell her that I was eating all of this. She will kill me. Oh my God.
Don't show her this video.
No, I will not show. I will not show her the video. Oh my God, I want to lose weight and I'm gaining weight. Okay.
Starting tomorrow.
Yes. We always say it. We will start from tomorrow.
Bye, Matka, קורעת.
Yeah.
Bye, Matka.
This is a chocolate with a flag. It's kind of American flag. It's not exactly. Maybe it's Texas flag. It's the colors of the U.S. flag, and but
Right.
it's not. We know the U.S. flag. Maybe it's Texas flag. I don't know. And Redstone's chocolate memories. Dream You milk chocolate. I had to send some chocolate. I hope it doesn't melt. No, Gina. It's not melting. I can feel everything is okay inside. But let's check it. Woo! תראי את השוקולד בפנים. Oh, it's different from the chocolate we know.
Matka, לא.
It's a different shape of chocolate. See this?
Right.
This is really nice. It's broke. Hey, it's exactly like the Elite chocolate, the same flavor. You can't eat it, Matka. I'm sorry.
בסדר, אני מקבלת מספיק.
Okay. Oh, I love it.
התלבשתי על הפאי.
She loved the pie. בתיאבון, it's bon appetit in Israel, in Hebrew. בתיאבון לירון.
Thank you, ענת. And Gina.
And Clay, her son.
Okay.
And Clay.
ביי, מתקה, ביי, תעלי. ביי. ביי.
טוב.
ביי.
Wow. I'm already stuffed.
Yes.
But I really want the film over, and then I'm going to eat like a barbaric person. Because I'm going to... Wow, this is good. I love this the most. Gina. It's best. Here's also a cookie. You can eat it. It looks like chocolate chip cookies. This is it.
Chocolate chip.
Chips. Ahoy.
Ahoy.
Ahoy. original. This,
מתאים לטקסס.
כן,
Ahoy.
it sounds like Texas, ahoy, 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 like the cowboys.
ביי.
Okay, so it says, these are my oldest son's favorite cookie. Okay, let's taste it. Yeah, it looks like chocolate chip cookie. It's exactly like the taste we know in Israel from the chocolate chip cookies. I love chocolate chip cookies. מתקה. מתקה. גבוה. גבוה. וואו. אחי. טעים. So I'm teaching you Hebrew now. טעים, it means tasty. This is really good.
נעם נעם.
Nam nam. טעים. And the last one is peanut butter sandwich cookies. פיות סנדוויץ' מחמת בוטנים.
יש עוד משהו? כן, יש לי מתה.
These are a favorite from my childhood. My daddy would eat them because he loved them so much. So your dad was eating those cookies. Let's see why he did it. My hand, they are slippery. Wow, Gina. Wow, this is so much. I really, really thank you for this. This is amazing. Oh. Oh. It's in the shape of peanut butter, of peanuts. Oh, this is nice. רגע, מתקה. את רוצה? Wow, you can smell it.
או.
Wow. You can smell the peanut butter. Wow, it's good. It's so soft. Huh? Wow. I love it. Wow. מתקה? קפצי, גבוה! נו! גבוה, גבוה!
מהמלוח, מהמלוח. לא, זה לא
מהמלוח?
טוב, כן.
וואו, רק אני... איך? תוציאי לאט.
לא, נראה מה...
אוקיי.
מהמלוח, מלוח. לא מה?
לא חריף.
כן.
מתקה? קחי.
תביא לי גם אחד כזה. לעדן את הטעם. תנקס.
Wow. Yeah, this is sweet, but good. I love it because you can really feel the peanut butter inside. It's full with peanut butter. And the last one, I almost forgot. The Tabasco chocolate that I'm afraid to taste from, but I'm going to be brave.
לא צריך להיות רע.
Actually, I told my friend that I had this from you, and she said the chocolate is going very good with spicy flavor. But I never tasted something like this. Maybe it's like we're eating chocolate with mint, menta. And it's also a little bit spicy. Let's taste it. You know what this box reminds me of my childhood, at my grandmother's house, because once before, all the grandmothers used to take those kind of boxes and put needles inside, needles for sewing, and also buttons and all those kind of things, נכון? כן. You have this candy, these boxes in when you have in your car, סוכריות, lollipops, איך אומרים? Oh, it looks like this. This is nice. תסתכלי לי יופי. רוצה לטעום?
לא.
לא.
לא מדי שוקולד.
To do this,
טרף מדי.
you don't think it. She said it's not going to be so spicy, but I think it is because it's
Mata.
Tabasco. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Now I'm starting to feel the spicy things. In the beginning, when you tasted it, this, you feel only the chocolate, and then you're starting to feel the Tabasco. Wow. Matka, it's not for you. It's no. Ah, it's interesting. I never tasted something like this. Wow. Now it's starting to be a little bit hard for me. This is really interesting. Wow. Now we need to think a little bit. Gina,
מטקה, ביי לפה. ביי.
I really want to thank you for this. This is really kind. And I think it's not only about Anat sending a package to Gina and Gina sending a package to Anat. This is really about knowing other culture. It's about friendship. And we are writing to each other for 3 weeks already. And it's also about kindness. And I'm really, really glad that I got to know you. And I had this experience, and it's really, really exciting to get something abroad from a place that you've never been to, and to taste from those snacks. And I'm sure you had those feelings as well. Here's Matka!
לא הייתי אקשח אותך ככה
אוקיי.
כשהיא עליי. היא שומרת.
She's a little bit crazy this time. She's beautiful but crazy, but in a good sense. And that's it. I don't know how to thank you for this. This is really, it's the little things that make life really interesting and fun, and not
Special.
and special, and not necessarily the big thing. I really feel good about it, and you made me happy, and I want to thank you and Clay, and to say bye bye.